Okay, here strong uptrend market, then market fall down, again market go up. Okay, so uptrend market situation here. Okay, so first of all, we have to confirm that it's a buyer, that means uptrend confirmed or not. Okay, so it's a momentum, and finally market broke this total ranging area. So when finally market broke this total ranging area, that means it's a very strong movement by the buyer side. Okay, then pullback, then again buyers entered in the market. A strong momentum, yes, strong momentum. So when market create this situation, now this after this candlestick, sellers entered in the market. So market create this candlestick and this. So second candle, this candlestick volume is low. Our analysis start from here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is the third candle. 1, 2, 3. Then we have to enter from in this candlestick here to the upper direction. Am I right? Our analysis start from here. Okay, so that's why it's very important that we have to start from here. We have to start analyzing from here this volume. Okay, this volume is high. Yes, it's okay. So then second candlestick volume is low. Okay, so when second candlestick volume is low, that means in an uptrend market, first of all, in an uptrend market, already confirmed that it's a strong movement by the buyer side right now here. Then pullback, after pullback buyers, that means this resistance level breakout happened. That means buyers are still strong. So now if we get first candlestick volume is high, then second candlestick volume is low, so it's okay. Now we can now analyze that after these two situation, two candlestick and two candlestick volume low step by step, then we have to wait for this is our first candle. So what happens? Sellers, buyers fight, that means first time buyers weak, that's why sellers entered. Then bearish candlestick with low volume, that means sellers again weak. First time buyers weak, then sellers entered. Second time sellers again weak. This is our analysis. So second time sellers weak, so that's why buyers entered in the market. So now buyers entered in the market, it's okay, but what type of buyers here? This is the another question, that what type of buyers here? This is a strong Marubozu candlestick, and Marubozu candlestick with high volume, and it broke this resistance level, previous resistance level. So when this breakout happened, buyers try to increase its own volume. So when buyers increase its own volume, that means buyers are stronger here. So when buyers are stronger in this uptrend market condition, our first candle, this is 1, this is 2, and now this is 3. Okay, so if we start analyzing from here, buyers weak, then sellers enter, again sellers weak, then buyers enter in the market. So now we have to place our trade in the fourth candlestick after analyzing this 1, 2, 3, these 3 candlesticks. So now each and every candlestick we started from here, and step by step we analyze all these 3 candlesticks, and now based on market structure, market movement, and all our CWRV analysis, so we can now take decision that in this candlestick we can place our trade to the upward direction, or we can place our to the downward direction. So each and every movement, each and every strategy, each and every logic and CWRV analysis giving us yes confirmation that yes, now this is strong candlestick, Marubozu candlestick with a high volume, then previous candlestick volume, and level breakout happened. That means buyers increased its own volume. That means buyers are in a strong, and market structure is okay. Uptrend market movement is okay. Yes. Then after pullback by CWRV analysis, step by step we analyze this 3 candlestick. Now it's a very, very perfect trade. Then we have to just place our trade below here to the upper direction. So this is our almost sure shot trade, 99.99%. Your analysis is just like a crystal clear analysis, because you need this type of market actually. If you want to place your trade 1, 2, 3 rules successfully, then you must select this type of market and this type of volume condition. So then only you can get a 99.99% sure shot trade. It's a very, very perfect one. And I am so pleased in your assignment. After this candlestick, we can easily place our trade here to the upper direction. Market will again go up. It's a perfect one.